Hello guys, it's Alliyah again. For today's video, I'm gonna be doing a warm tone makeup look. So to start off, I'm just gonna use my yellow blush powder from JUDYDOLL again. You guys know how much I love this. And I'm just gonna apply it all over my crease. Next, I'm just gonna use my ring finger and apply this shimmer orange on my lid. And then we're gonna use a fluffy brush to blend these two colors and create a soft gradient. For the brows, I'm just gonna use my Cyber Color No. 4 Light Brown Eyebrow Pencil. Nothing major on this part because I'm just gonna follow my natural eyebrow shape. For those of you who haven't found your ideal eyebrow pencil, I would really suggest you to check out this brand. I think their eyebrow pencils are really worth buying, it's just really good. Next, we're gonna use our CLIO Light Brown Eyebrow Mascara to cover up the remaining gray hair on our eyebrows. Next, we're just gonna draw a simple black wing eyeliner using my HEROINE Make Eyeliner. By the way, I just want to share that my sister would always complain that I look snubby every time I have my wing eyeliner. Next, we're just gonna add a shimmer pink eyeshadow from JUDYDOLL, and we're just gonna apply it on the lower lash line and on the inner corner of the eyes to make it look more youthful and also to brighten up the eyes. Now, moving on to my eyelashes, I'm still using my MISTINE mascara. If you guys have watched some of my previous makeup tutorial, you probably know how much I rely on this mascara since I was not gifted with long and thick eyelashes. So I use this instead since it contains lash fiber that can easily extend your eyelashes even without wearing false lashes. For my face, I'm using my SULWHASOO Perfect Infusions. I have a yellow skin tone, so I'm using the number 21 medium pink shade to even up my skin color. And then we're gonna conceal some of our skin defects using my íPSA Creative Concealer X. This concealer contains 3 different colors, and it also comes with a small brush wherein it allows you to fix or blend the color that you like on the side that will match your skin tone. If I'm gonna rate this concealer, I'll definitely give it a 5-star. I really like the small brush. It just makes everything so much easier, especially when filling up my eyebrows with a concealer. Next, I'm gonna use my angled nose contour brush to contour my nose. I'm using my Hoola bronzer from Benefit. I think the color of this bronzer is perfect for my skin because it's not too dark or too light. It's exactly the color that I want. Oh, and by the way, I forgot to mention that contouring is always optional. If you guys don't want to contour your face or your nose, you can just skip this, it's totally fine. For the cheeks, I'll be applying 2 layers of blush today. First one is yellow. Don't worry if the color is not so visible yet because we're gonna add another color on top of that later. Since I don't have my orange blush yet, so I'm just gonna play with my pocket eyeshadow palette. I took the orange shades called Spice and Nice, and it actually works really well. We're almost finished, guys. Now it's time to put highlighter on our face using CPB Luminizing Face Enhancer. The reason why we apply highlighter on our face is because it makes our skin look healthy and glowy as if we drink 8 glasses of water a day. Just like what others people would say, fake it till you make it, right? Last step for the lips, I'm using a Fury Red Color Lipstick from ETHUDE House. This is in the shade RD302. I think the color was too intense for me, so I ended up wiping it off a little bit with a tissue. Alright guys, I think that's it for this video. I don't know why my face looks so big in here, but thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!